guys, starting this vlog off in my closet because if you haven't seen the video, I just applied the KonMari method to this room and I've never felt so great. Oh, I can't even describe the feeling, honestly. But yeah, so definitely go check out that video. I'm not really gonna do too much. What was that noise? Hello? It's the ghost. Anyway, yeah, so it's lovely. I love everything about it. Dollar Tree organization, you guys. I also did a shop with me video. I'll link both of those videos down below for you. Anyway, so ironically, I also got a package from Shein today. I just want to point out, I just feel the need to put extra emphasis on this, but me purging isn't, for me specifically, the sole purpose of being a for being a minimalist. It's so that I could get rid of things that I was just no longer wearing, things that just were taking up space for no use, and then it was distracting me from seeing other things that I really liked. So I just want to point that out. Yeah. So anyway, I will go ahead and show you guys what I got, but first you guys need to see these crazy piles and piles of shoes for donation. Some of this I might actually Poshmark that are like brand new, but a lot of like heels for women's shelter so that they can like go do interviews. I even have like suits in here. I need to just sit down and then like fold these really nicely and then get it all boxed up and out of here. That's a whole nother undertaking, but my back is killing me, so can't do that right now. That's gonna be a tomorrow gig. And I'm also at the same time trying to clean my tub. As you guys can see, I talked about this in a video when I asked you guys for your advice on how to clean the essential oil, or not essential oils, but bath oils. I took a bath in here like a couple months ago and I used the oils and then I just was dumb and didn't rinse the tub. And now these bath oils are just cause this griminess and I just cannot get it to come up. I've tried scrubbing, I've tried brush scrubbing, I've tried everything. So I just tried this Dollar Tree LA's Totally Awesome. I sprayed it all in there and then it wasn't really coming up that great. So then I filled this up with hot water. I don't know if that's gonna do anything, but I think I'm gonna have to resort to Dawn and some baking soda, and then it'll just have to be some real-time elbow grease to get this gone, because I want to take my weekly bath oils bath. I don't know what that is. That's the ghost. As a matter of fact, this haul is actually mostly for my daughter and not for me. I think I got one pair of shoes. Yeah, I got shoes. And earrings, a bunch of earrings. So, and for her, I had accumulated so many Shein points. And if you shop on Shein, remember to leave feedback. Well, one, you confirm that you received your package. Once you confirm, you get a bunch of points just from that. And then if you write reviews, you get a bunch of points. And then if you add a photo, you get even more points. And that goes towards taking off off your price when you check out. So I had a bunch. God, how cute. So I was able to get her a ton of bathing suits and they ended up being like $6 or $8. I'll link everything down below for you guys. That's not to say it will cost that for you, because again, I used my Shein points. I also checked out with Ebates. Don't forget, Shein is 6% off, and so always check out with Ebates, and an Ebates link is down below for you as well. First, let's go ahead and take a look at my shoes. I got these for summertime, and they're like espadrilles, but with, you know, little leopard action. Do these not look like they came from Nordstrom's though? Like some fancy designer? Oh, it fits really nicely too. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at all the earrings that I got. So one of the things, I love to wear studs. Like, I'm never really a dangly earring kind of girl, but that's only because I don't have any cute ones. And so I got me some cute ones. How pretty are these yellow ones? I'm gonna go ahead and try these on for you. There we go. Obviously, not a cute look with my Nike, okay? But just so that you guys can kind of just, you know, see the size and what they kind of look like on a person. But these yellow earrings are gonna be so fun for summertime. The next ones are a little bit longer and look like this. And I actually got a bunch of these in different colors. Got them in this beautiful turquoise, teal. Oh, and then I got the yellow version, but in black. So I'll go ahead and try on these. So here these are. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I think these were like $3. It was very cheap, you guys. And if you go to Bobble Bar, it's not $3, I'll tell you that. And wow, I love this color. I feel like it's so complimentary to my skin tone. I really like it. So here are the black ones. So these are gonna match the yellow ones. Yeah, oh, so pretty. Love these. It's kind of hard to tell just from the lighting and my hair is dark, but I love these. Oh, I also got them in red. I got them in every color they had. So they had yellow, red, and black. Yeah, so I'm not gonna try on the red ones. You get the gist. And the last ones, you guys, they're just so fun. I just had to. This is something I love doing, but every time I go on vacation, whenever I put on like my bathing suit and we go to the beach, I always put on fancy earrings. That's when I bring out my long dangly ones that I have. I just love how cute it looks with a swimsuit, but look at these. What? Oh my God, they're just so fun. I just could not help myself. I couldn't do it. And they're just as pretty. They look exactly like they do in the picture, all of these. So, what? How fun is that, you guys? Oh my goodness, how cute this one is. Has a little cutout. She is 18, just FYI. Yeah, so little black and white stripes. So incredibly cute. Again, I'll link this down below. And I got a size small and everything for her because she's a tiny little thing. I got this. I have no idea, by the way, if she's gonna like any of this. No clue. I just bought this all on a whim. I also got her this little top. I feel like these little crop tops with the tie right here is really trendy. This gave me Urban Outfitter vibes, and so without the Urban Outfitters price. So I got this for her, also in a size small. Oh, this is a piece. I don't get it. Here's a cute little halter top. It has little daisies or some sort of flower on there. As you can see, it's just, and it has a really long string too, which would be really pretty on the back. So just like extra string on the back. Yeah, so I really like this little print. Hopefully she will too. This top, I'm not sure. I just thought it was really fun and thought it was kind of 4th of July and very different, but it has like a little airplane, like an embroidered airplane, and that's pretty much it. Why did I get a medium in this? Why did I think this was navy in the picture? It's definitely black, but I thought it was navy and red. But this is another little crop top, but it's black. Yeah, that's definitely black. I thought it was navy for some reason. I thought, again, that would be really cute for 4th of July, but that is black, ladies and gents. It's a cute little crop top, though. I really like it. This one, it's a sunflower crop top. I feel like these are just really trendy and cute. I don't think like a print like this goes out of style. This gives me 70s, you know? So I got that. And everything else are swimsuits. Yeah, they ended up being like $6-8. So I got this little purple number, which is, I think, also reversible. So it doesn't look like a lot of material, but she's an adult. And I mean, Europeans go to Italy and see people hardly wearing anything, okay? I wanted to get her kind of like a rainbow of colors, so I was definitely trying to go for that. Here is like an olivey green, which has a really interesting little back to it. Again, all of these are in a size small, and this has like the little ruching on the booty. Yeah, really cute. Here is a white bathing suit, which is always stressful. I feel like I can never wear white. What? Here, the bottoms are a small, but the top says a small. This does not look like a small. Here's the front, by the way. I don't know, you guys, but literally the inside says small, but that's the kind of some of the things you kind of come across. This would fit me, so I may end up keeping this, but these little things will not fit me, okay? Here is a blue one. This one's really interesting. I feel like it's really trendy with this little like scrunchy type print, whatever they call this. I don't know, the back is just very plain. There's no, you can't adjust the straps, so keep that in mind. And here are the bottoms. Yeah, so pretty. Okay, here is this color. It's like a dark, I don't know. It's very heavy. This one seems to be a lot like better material. Has the double strap, a lot of cute details in this. And then the bottoms have that same kind of cutout detail. And then the rest of them are cute little prints. I got this little fun yellow one with the little flowers. And the top looks like this. I feel like these are really flattering, the way they scoop. These are really flattering on my daughter, so I really like that. The next one is a cute little sunflower number. I'm most excited about this one. Hopefully she likes it. She doesn't just wear like bathing suits to the beach. She'll also, like, when we're on vacation, she wears them as like her outfit. She'll put on some high-waisted jean shorts, and then she'll have on her cute little top, and then she'll have on like, you know, just like a kind of a button up but not buttoned up over it kind of thing. But here is the little sunflower top, sunflower bottoms. And the last one, I actually saw she had pinned this on her Pinterest account. Turns out it's on Shein. So I got this little thing, but I don't know if she still likes it. I don't know if she's still into it, you know? And here's the top. Very tiny. This one is really little, you guys. I don't know if any of this is gonna fit her well, but that's my haul.